Hello, I'm Ken Cavanaugh with Saskark Equipment Group, one of Western Canada's leading providers of light towers, heating solutions, air compressors, generators, and water pumping equipment, as well as safe access solutions. Today I'd like to introduce the Wacker Neuson LTW8 wide-body light tower. We've rebranded it here as the Metrolite, and this has got the full cold weather package with your snow shrouding and the battery lockout, full fluid containment, 115% fluid containment, very rugged, heavy build, all 11 gauge steel construction. One of the heaviest light towers on the market, makes it very good for towing down the highway. Inside the engine compartment, you'll find very service friendly. Your filters are all readily available, and it's got the reliable Kubota diesel engine married to a McCulty generator. This unit is the only light tower that we're aware of on the market with a full 2-year unlimited hour warranty. Controls, very simplistic, very easy to use. Single button on, single button off. The green button, just hit the button, it runs it through its diagnostics, sets the glow plugs, and will fire. Red button just kills the unit, and we've got the hour meter and your light breakers there. Very heavy duty, very robust unit. As we go around the unit, we've got the forklift pockets on the mast, very high lift point, and the crane rigging point. The wheelbase on this unit is the same as a standard half-ton pickup. Very easy to tow. We've got the 6 point of contact with the ground. We've got the jack at the rear. Of course, we've got the wheels, and we got the outrigger jacks at the front, and one on the tongue at the very front. And that gives it one of the best stabilities for wind resistance of any unit available at about 70 miles per hour. As we come around the unit here, we've got the auxiliary outlets. You've got your two 20 amp GFCIs and a 30 amp twist lock, your emergency stop, and also internal light storage here on the cold weather package. Your 4 lamps tucked neatly in the racks here. You've got your breakers for your auxiliary power, and the fuel tank, very large integrated fuel tank with a sight gauge. And if you require any further information on this unit or any of our other products, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-667-5155 or visit our website at www.saskark.com. Thank you.